Who counts as a qualifying relative for tax filing? Imagine being able to help your family and friends save money on taxes just by understanding who qualifies as a dependent. It might sound complicated, but it's really about knowing the rules. When you file your taxes, you can claim certain people as dependents, which can lower your taxable income and boost your chances for credits. One of these dependents is called a qualifying relative. So, who exactly can be a qualifying relative? First, the person must be a U.S. citizen, a U.S. resident alien, or a resident of Canada or Mexico. This rule makes sure the person is legally allowed to be claimed in your country or nearby. Second, the person cannot be claimed as a qualifying child by you or anyone else. A qualifying child usually has to be your son or daughter, under a certain age, and live with you most of the year. If they qualify as a child, they cannot also be a qualifying relative. Third, the person must either be related to you in specific ways or have lived with you all year as part of your household. You could claim your brother, sister, parent, grandparent, or even your in-laws. You might also include your niece, nephew, aunt, or uncle if they live with you. If someone is not related but has lived with you the entire year as part of your household, they might still qualify. Next, the person's gross income for the year must be less than $5,250. Gross income includes wages, interest, or any other earnings before taxes. If they make more than that, they usually don't qualify as a dependent. Lastly, you need to have provided more than half of their total support during the year. Support includes expenses like food, housing, clothing, medical care, and education. If they earned money but used it for their own support, that doesn't count against your support test. For Latino families, knowing who qualifies as a dependent is very helpful. Claiming a parent or grandparent who lives with you and relies on your support can give you extra tax benefits. Even if they don't live with you all year, as long as they meet the rules, you can still claim them. Remember, some dependents might not qualify for the child tax credit but could be eligible for the credit for other dependents, which is worth up to $500 per person. So, in simple terms, a qualifying relative is someone who is a citizen or resident, not a qualifying child, related or living with you, earns less than $5,250, and you support more than half of their needs. Knowing these rules can help you make the most of your tax benefits and support your family better.